Okay, to make a COVID-19 mask uh, or any kind of dust filtering mask, you need a piece of material that you can fold over into thirds or quarters, depending on the size of your material. Need a long headband to go behind your head, two short pigtail scrunchies. We're going to use these to go over each end, and we're going to double them over and send the bandana through there to where we have two loops holding it on each end of the bandana. That's going to give us a way to attach the headband to each end. Now we're going to fold the bandana up through each end of the headband using the scrunchie to hold the material of the bandana. Two loops on a small pigtail scrunchie works well because it gives you it gets it tight enough. So that's the knot you're looking for right there. The material's doubled through and on each end. You do that on the other end the same way. The material goes through the headband. If you come up through it on this end, you're going to have a twist. It doesn't matter. If you go down on this end, then your headband will be straight. All right. Bring the scrunchie up over the material and try to find the other half of the scrunchie and pull it up likewise. And I just messed it up. Let's see if we can recover it. The scrunchie's got to go over the material. There we go. Slide it down on there. So that may be a second way to get the scrunchie over the ends of the material. But that in essence is the mask. That's the attachment point. And then you can undo the process and wash the material. Change from the material without getting your headbands all wet. But that's it. Enjoy.